Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how to download threads from Instagram. So to download threads you have to go to your app store and then search on the search bar, type threads and Instagram app, and then install it from your app store. Then you can easily run it on your iPhone. On the second one, install it and open it, and then you can easily use your threads on Instagram. So this is your threads profile, and on the top right corner you can see the Instagram badge. If you tap that, then you can directly go to your Instagram ID. This is how you can download threads from Instagram. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.